How to export contacts to a VCF file on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save all your contacts as a VCF file on your Android device. First, open the Google Contacts app on your Android device. After that, tap on Organize at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and under the This Device section, you'll see different contact lists. At this point, tap on Export to File from that list. In the next step, you'll see a list of accounts to choose from. Tap the checkbox next to the account you want to export contacts from. Following this, once your account is selected, tap on Export at the bottom right corner to proceed. Once done, a file browser will open asking you to choose where you want to save the VCF file. From here, navigate to your preferred folder or location to save the file. At this stage, you'll see the default file name is set to contacts.vcf. You can rename it to something else if you prefer, or leave it as is. Finally, tap Save and your contacts will be exported and saved as a VCF file to your selected location. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you export your contacts to a VCF file, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.